Oh, Sizzle Q. Oh, Sizzle Q. Oh, Sizzle Q. Baby, I love you. Sizzle Q. Hey guys, I figured I would show you this Sizzle Q griddle that I purchased from a Facebook front porch pickup. It measures 18 inches across, it's 13 inches deep, and it's also got this grease tray, for all the drippings to go into. One cool thing about this, you can just take it out in the yard to clean it with the water hose. Only downside to it, the surface is not non-stick, so you have to put, I use butter, but you may have to use vegetable oil to keep things from sticking on it. I don't suggest using Pam. That Pam tastes like crap. I can't believe they still make that stuff. But anyway, this is what the bottom of it looks like. You can see how it's got this cross beam going across, but this was too low. I actually added these tabs. I tack welded them on there to make sure that this was going to be the right height, and as it turns out it is. So if you do decide to get one of these, more than likely you might have to raise it just depending on your range. But this works out pretty good, and the best thing about it I like is I can cook everything on one plate instead of having all these pans on the stove. You can cook everything at one time. So I figured I'd point that out. I think you can get these online, maybe Amazon, eBay, for about $100. They make these larger too. So I figured I'd just share this with you. It might be something you might want to consider. You don't like washing pans all that often.